Alright guys, so we're out here. We're trying to figure out how to get to the place where we can get chicken. It's a bit difficult because I have no clue where I am and I'm kind of lost, but it should be right. I ran one now. They're good chips though. Got the dessert thing. Just try this chicken. It's like spicy. It's kind of good. It's like a wicked wing. It's pretty good actually. The price for all this was 180 NT, or like $9 Australian. Pretty good actually. Alright, so I just ate the fried chicken as you saw. The Macca's fried chicken is baller, bro. It's so much better than KFC. Like, full on, I'd never thought I would say that Macca's had better fried chicken than KFC. We gotta try out Burger King. Like, we'll see which one reigns supreme, I guess. Alright, so you guys don't understand. The fried chicken at Macca's, it was like a bit more expensive than at KFC because I got like a whole meal for like an extra $3 Australian. And I got 2 pieces for like $6 at Macca's. But because the KFC was cheaper than the Macca's, but you know, she's right. And then, alright guys, so as far as I'm aware, in Taiwan, there's 3 main burger, or like fast food restaurants. Macca's, KFC, and Burger King. Or, as I'll probably end up calling it every single time I go there, Hungry Jack's, because that's what we call it in Australia, because Australia is a very special place. And we already had a Burger King, so they had to refranchise their name or whatever. But I did this video because I wanted to find the best place where you can get fast fried chicken. Honestly, it's probably not the best fried chicken because there's all the local places and yeah. But in Japan, the fried chicken, the best place was Family Mart. But I haven't seen any fried chicken in Family Mart. And I don't even know where I am right now, but we're chilling. And we're just trying to find the Burger King so I can have the last of the 3 major fried chicken type of fast food areas. And I can tell you guys which one's the best. The world's out here calling me out. On the way to Burger King, there's a world gym. Alright, so we just finished off the Hungry Jack, so I mean Burger King, or I mean whatever it's called here. It was good. The chicken was boiled before it was fried, so it wasn't as good as Macca's, and it wasn't as good as KFC actually. It was actually the worst chicken, so the ranking at the end of this video, so the ranking for today's video goes Macca's is the best, then it is KFC, then Burger King. So the best fast food fried chicken in Taiwan is McDonald's, and there's no competition with that. So it's easy money out here. You know how it is. I have no clue where I am right now, but it doesn't matter. I'll see you all in the next video.